Hey friends, welcome to Mathstoon. In today's video, we will learn to find the divisors of 33. If you want to learn more about divisors, please visit mathstoon.com. Now let's start. Firstly, we will find all the possible ways in which we can divide 33. Let's start from 1. 33 divided by 1 is equal to 33. So, 1 and 33 are the divisors of 33. Next number 2 does not divide 33, so we will move to 3. 33 divided by 3 is equal to 11. So, 3 and 11 are the divisors of 33. Now, there is no number between 3 and 11 which can divide 33. So, we will stop right now. Now, look that we have all the divisors of 33 in orange colors. These numbers are 1, 3, 11 and 33. So, the total number of divisors of 33 is 4. Now, if we look at these divisors, we can see that 3 and 11 among these numbers are prime numbers because these two numbers do not have any divisor other than 1 and this number itself. So, we can say that the prime divisors of 33 are 3 and 11. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave your comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. Please hit the bell icon to get notification of new videos.